Hey guys, check out this kit I just run across from my stash. Purchased this one, close to 30 years ago from a place called P&D Hobby in Michigan for $8.99. I don't know the scale on it though. It doesn't say it on the box anywhere, but it's a 1934 Duesenberg metal body kit. Oh, here it is right here. It's a 132 scale. I've had this open years ago. That's the last time I've looked at it. So included is the instructions in English. Whoa! It's an all-in-one one-shot. I don't know if I can zoom out any further. No, that's it. And you see it's like an exploded view. They show you everything that's included. The kit comes pre-painted, which is nice. Saves you a little bit of time and frustration. Little plastic windshield. I think the doors open. Yeah, the doors do open. They've got them. Got little stickers on them to keep them from opening up during shipping. Just the front ones open. Back ones look like they're fixed. There's the wheels. Okay, and they roll around. They're white walls. We got 5 of those. This one here is a spare, obviously, with the little straps on the top there. Oh. No, I'm wrong. There's 2 spares. I guess one for each side. Yep. You got the little slots in the fender wells there to mount your strapped in spares. That's kind of neat. Back when people were thinking if you get one flat you might as well get another, right? Don't know what those little parts are. We got little license plate right there. I think it's upside down. Has real fine details on that. That feels like a metal axle. There's your interior portion. One of these things. Huh. Little pieces of engine detailing. This looks like the head. No, it's actually the side of the block. Yeah, it's a 6-cylinder. All right. Back trunk, literally a trunk for the trunk area. Some more glass pieces. The hood, the roof. Not the hood, the roof. Some fine little chrome pieces there. Not sure what those are. Maybe running boards for the back steps area to get into the trunk. And some more chrome parts. Well, that's kind of neat. Yeah, I found that in the stash sitting up in there, and I thought, well, what the heck, I'll put that on there and share it with you guys. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate the support. Some great comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.